skins because I'm poor. But yeah, I have no Robux. I got scammed or stuff. So yeah, I'ma get the assault rifle, handgun first, and grenade. First up, the second handgun. Third, the grenade. Just paint. But my best skin what I always use is I don't have the golden ones yet, but burst driver, dagger, sight, and smoke. You know, smoke was looking the sister, burst rifle, sister, daggers, the sister's sight, and the sister's smoke, golden. And if you think I'm lying,